Hello, what's up, my people? How now day? I don't carry another beta update carry come. Now, today I want to make we talk about this particular update way that they call Movyra. Then they call Movyra. So this update na new update where they just drop, and I feel like I need to come here make we talk about together. Okay. Now, if you see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. I talk about different update for my page. If you want the call update for my side, make sure you like, share, subscribe, so that if I drop new update, it will notify you. And also comment where they watch this video from for comment section. Thank you very much. And I beg make you know say this one no be tutorial, share this one a review. If you want to see my tutorial, make sure you check my Seeden account. My tutorial dey my Seeden account, go check them out, or make sure you check the comment section. You go see my tutorial video there. So we go talk about what in this platform they all about, and some of the features where they can get, and so on and so forth. Then I go drop my opinion, then I go drop my ratings, make we see if the platform makes sense or makes sense. Now, first of all, then they call this platform Movyra. According to what they talk say if you use their platform, make it they do some kind things, make it they collect every single day, and make it they do small nyama things like that, make it they collect. You understand? As I can see, the team be like, see, go make sense. I say, okay, make I try them out. So then get different features. So it be some of the features where they get. Well, the first feature why I don't see an article feature. Article feature then talk say if you they read news, they read articles, make it they collect. Then they can't get their sponsored post feature where we say then thus if you they post for Facebook WhatsApp status and things like that, make it they collect. They can't get their daily tax feature where we say then thus if you they do some kind of small things like that, make it they collect. And they get one feature where I can't see it, and they call them playlist. They say if you they listen to music and make you they collect all these kind of things. Then they can't get their airtime feature if you buy a recharge card, and get their data feature if you buy data, and so on and so forth. They can't get their daily check-in feature where they talk say if you they check in every day, make you they collect small things. They can't get their affiliate program feature here where we say if you join the affiliate program, make you they collect. Okay, so now some of the features where they get be there. Another feature where they get now art feature. This art feature be say if you want run art for your business, or you want promote something like that, if you give them, they do one for you. So now some of the features where they get and be that. Now what thing I think about this platform, well, platforms like this, well, some of them they make sense, some no they make sense. Now they three be that. So for the fact say this platform get all these features, no mean say it go make sense. I know me say no go make sense, some go last, some no go last. So it depends, you understand. I make personally for me, I they try plenty things so that anyone will work out for me, I could just continue the use them, you understand. For now, I don't they use them. In fact, I've been commerce small itself. What be some of the pros and cons? What be some of the pros and cons? Well, the first pro be say they get plenty features. The second pro be say these their features where they can get if you use them easily, if you understand the platform very easily. Now another pro now can be say their tax we they do no fit, you know, go take much time. You go complete the tax fast, and then you go collect your small thing. Then another pro now can be say their earnings no too day bad. You know big but too day bad based on the tax, you understand. Now another pro now can be say if you come out your small thing, put directly to your Nigerian account, you understand, which means they support local currency. So another pro now be that for this particular update. Another pro be say then get active customer service, so that in case if you get issues, customer service go fit help you. Now waiting be some of the cons. The first con be say the platform now premium platform will be say the higher the premium account where you get, be the higher the VIP where you get, the more if you collect from their tax. Now the first con nine be that one, no, like, so they get different VIP, all those kind of things like that. So I not quite like that particular part, you understand, and which means if you be person where no get anything at all, and you want enter the something, you understand, you no go fit collect something will make sense until you can't go the upgrade your account and things like that. So now make me no con like that part. Now another thing we I no con like about their platform be say for the tax then we they do for this update, then they withdraw only once in a month, which is on the 25th. And platforms like this, when you don't reach time for withdrawal, their server go they hang another con one or like about the update. Now be that. Apart from these two issues, for now the update make sense. Now for that their tax earnings, they say now once in a month if you withdraw, but for the affiliate earnings if you withdraw every single day, you understand? So platforms like this, like I said earlier, some they make sense, some no they really make sense. It depends on the one way you don't go jam, you understand? But for now, I've been coming small thing from this update right here. I don't come on my small thing, I receive my small thing, and I don't do the tutorial for those of you who want check out the tutorial. I don't do them. If you check the comment section or check the description of this video, you go see the tutorial there. They might see the account too, but I go pin them so that if you just go check out waiting be the rating. So if you give this platform, now if I want to rate this platform, I will give them 5/10. I'll give them 5/10. So now the ratings with me, I will give this particular platform. But waiting be your own ratings. How if you rate this platform over 10, how many go rate them? Drop your opinion for comment section, my people. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.